Hello friends, welcome back to Indian Minimist Mom. As I promised with you guys, so finally I am giving you a quick little home tour of our new home. Last Sunday we shifted to another rented house. You guys have seen my old home tour and this is our new home, and it is only 3 days after shifting. Sunday we shifted here, Monday, Tuesday I took time to organize everything. Still there are some works to be done. So I thought let me give you a quick little home tour, and once everything is done clearly, then I will give you a detailed home tour or room tour, you guys can say that, and that takes little bit time. So here is the quick tour of our new home. Here is the entrance, and from here the house starts. It is our living room. Ravish is there, and that is my workstation and kids study station, everything. Actually it was not there in our old home, and this is which was already here, and it is the place to sit. And here is again the one some sittings for the guests, and there I have organized all the books, and here is showcase. As you guys have seen my home all the time, I keep everything very minimal, and this house is also very minimalistic, not any more decorative stuffs or anything. I always like to decorate everything with the very essential things, that's it. Nothing more, because more things adds more maintenance which I don't want. In the living room only, here is some puja corner. Actually it was a wardrobe and I converted it into puja room because we are spiritual persons and we love to pray to God every day. So this is our puja room, and here is our bedroom. Here many works to be get done. It is not completely done till now, and I have only organized the clothes, and for all these things I need to get one more rack, and after that I will organize this room. At this moment it is pending and Shishir is doing some naughty stuff there. Here is our kitchen. Compared to my last kitchen, this kitchen is very small, but it is more functional, I can say. And I have organized everything according to my taste, and only one disadvantage is there is not more counter space here, and I always like to keep counter space empty, but here it is not possible as there is no shelves below the countertop, so everything is organized here only. Once everything is clearly done, then I will give you a detailed room tours of all the rooms, and it is just a quick little home tour because I don't want you guys to wait for a long. So there is dressing table, and here is everything is clubbed into single space. It is our bathroom and laundry station. Please ignore the stains on the floor because I need to clean it, or I can say I need to find any method to remove all the stains already there. And here is wash basin, laundry room. Sorry for the noise, washing machine is running. And yes, everything is one place. Toilet pot, wash basin, and laundry station and bathroom. So all these things clubbed in one place, so it is really easy for me to clean. Once the room is cleaned, everything is cleaned, and it is really easy for me. And this living room is also very spacious, as you guys can see this. Even though if it is a single bedroom, if it is more spacious, definitely we can manage. That is what I believe. I think I can manage. We'll see. I have guests for next weekend as well. And this is the outside of my home, and we are very lucky to see many trees in the morning. I love greenery, and luckily we have some trees outside our home, and we have more space here to play for the kids. And this house is very spacious even though if it is a single bedroom house, and there are some plants. You guys know that I always love plants, and these are something which I can't live without. I love more and more trees and plants, and luckily I have some greenery to sit outside in the evening and to have some cup of coffee. I love greenery, so you guys know that. And I encourage everyone to plant more and more trees if possible, and if the greenery is outside our home, we feel more fresh and more energetic all the time. So this is our quick little home tour, and once everything is done, I'll give you a detailed room tours once again. And if you guys want to see anything, please comment down below. And if you guys like this video, please hit the like button. And if you are new, consider subscribing. That's all about my today's video. Thanks for visiting our home. That's all about my today's video. Thanks for watching. See you all guys again. Bye.